Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So today market opened flat and there was a good sell off in the market. So let's check what the big player are planning for tomorrow and for this week. So we'll follow by FII. In option index contract, they were holding put of 2,43,000 contracts. Now they have increased their put by 69,000 contracts. So they have 3,12,000 of contract input. And in call they were holding 1 lakh of call contracts. Now they have reduced their calls. So it was long unwinding of 43,000 contracts. So they have 64,000 contracts in call now. In future index, they have reduced their longs and increased their shorts by 3%. So they have 13% long and 87% short. And in stock future also they have reduced their longs and increased their shorts by 1%. So they have 49% long and 51% short. What does it mean? So FII have increasing the short positions in options, futures, and also in stock futures also. And we have seen today the purchase of 590 crores in cash market. So they believe there is something bad is going to come. That's why they have created so much of negative positions. So we will track the cash positions for few days. If this positive figures going to come for few days, then it means this short can be covered. Then there can be a very good rally. Or else we can also see a good downfall also. Let's check the client. Client are the retailers. They were holding 1,96,000 of put writing. Now they have increased their put writing by 1,74,000 contracts. So they have 3,70,000 of put writing now. In call, they were holding 25,000 of call writing. Now they have unwinded this call writing and made a fresh call buying of 1,76,000. And in future index, they have reduced their longs and increased their short by 2%. So they have 67% long and 33% short. And in stock future also, they have reduced their longs and increased their short by 1%. So they have 84% long and 16% of short. So client sold for 40 crores in cash market. See, client, they are very much bullish in futures index, future index and option index and also in stock futures, and they purchase for 4 crores only. So this data is positive. So let's check promoters input. They were holding 79,000 of put writing. Now they have unwinded this put writing today. So hopefully this went in loss only. So they have made a fresh put buying of 25,000 contract today. And in call writing they were holding 83,000 of call writing. Now they have increased their call writing by 1,58,000 contracts. So they have 2,42,000 call writing now. And in future index, they have 50-15 long and short now. So they have reduced their longs and increased their short by 3%. And we have seen a 2% increase in long and reduced 2% in short in stock futures. So they have 75% long and 25% short. And also we have seen 4 crores of buying in cash market. So promoters, see what promoter are doing in future index they are 50-50, but in options they are totally negative, totally bearish. This 50-50 and this is a good figure, positive figures. So promoter don't have any view as of now, but they have hedged their positions. So DII sold for 423 crores today in cash market. So total in cash market was 130 crores positive figures. Let's check the PCR. For Nifty was 0.68 and for month end is 1.16 and Bank Nifty today was 0.74 and for month end it is 0.95. As per the PCR, market is positive only. This is a good buying zone now. So let's check the price action. We'll go in longer time frame and we'll check. So the market has taken a good support here. This we can take as a retracement of 16,700 and it has moved higher. So if we come to see a very good buying for 2-3 days, then we can believe market is in a positive mode and we can see a good sell off at 17,500 because now FII is creating a short positions here and he want to short the market, but he will short on a higher level only. So he's buying in cash market. So we have to see, do the FI is going to win or not this position. Anyhow, promoter they are neutral only. So we have to see whether if India VIX is going to shoot up, then we can also see a good sell-off at any point of any range in the Nifty. Same with the Bank Nifty as well. So let's check the global market. See, we have seen a very good pullback in Dow Jones as well as in Nasdaq today. So Nasdaq is trading with 165 points higher, and Dow Jones with 655 points. So we believe this can be a reversal for the US market. Market should has to reverse from here. As we have seen from couple of weeks, the market is in a downtrend. So let's check for a few days and we'll see whether the global market is going to recover or not. That also impact our market too. So as of now, for tomorrow and for this, only one thing, see, only sell on rise should be the criteria. And even if we see a very good buying also, don't run for buying. We can see a good sell off at any time. Only to watch is India VIX. If it shoots up, then be cautious until we can be on buy side also, not an issue, but more on a sell on rise. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my video. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.